shoes, and more shoes. For years, living in small spaces has compelled me to create smart, chic shoe storage solutions that work with my budget and my tendency to be a little lazy when it comes to organization. I'll be honest. Now, last episode, I flipped kitchen sliding cupboard drawers into movable shoe caddies, but I wasn't quite satisfied with how they were not really matching the vintage cabinet they were tucked under, and I knew I could do better. So here we are again, shoe sliding drawers 2.0. I wanted to see if I could find baskets that were just a tiny bit higher so that when I was looking at the cabinet in a wider view that I wouldn't see so much of the shoes. I'm cleaning out my main closet in my bedroom and I completely forgot, hello, these are more than 10 years old, but I had these in my house in upstate New York and they're solid wood. They're not the right color. And I thought, oh, well, maybe take out the baskets. I can definitely use these baskets elsewhere, so these won't go to waste. And then I thought, oh, are these going to even fit? Are these even going to fit? Lo and behold, they fit perfectly. Double check. Let me just do a shoe check to see if they are going to cradle the shoes. I wanted to definitely do an upgrade as far as the paint was concerned. I didn't really like the way that looked. I thought that if I could take a photograph of the pattern that is painted on the top of my vintage cabinet, make laser print copies of the photos, repurpose it, because you know how I love a decoupage moment, and then decoupage that onto the fronts of these drawers and bins, that maybe that would look better. You're going to put the Mod Podge on the outside of the wood bin and then on the underside of your paper. You're going to add another layer of the Mod Podge right on top of the paper. And work out all of the bubbles. Okay, so the decoupage has dried. I want to show you how I cut out the handle. I can actually kind of see the handle. Da-da-da-da-da. All the bins, the wood bins, have been decoupaged and sealed. And then I wanted to make another upgrade here. I again went shopping in the kitchen department and discovered that those organizers you use for the lids of pots and pans could organize my flats and my sandals. And it just so happens to fit exactly in the bottom of my bin. And the thought is that this will organize my flats a little bit better. I'll secure my pot lid rack with a few screws. All right, I think that's all the shoe bin upgrades I can think of for now. I'm glad I took the time to make a few adjustments so that I'll be happy with this. And I know that it might seem a little over the top for people out there, but if you live in a small space where the majority of storage solutions are right out in the open and visible from all angles, you're going to want to make it as seamless as possible. Make sure and like and subscribe if you haven't already. Keep those comments coming because I just love that we're building a little community here. All right, well, thank you so much for hanging with me for Shoe Bin Storage 2.0, and I'll see you next time on Nutshell Living. Bye.